Hi everyone, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture, we will learn about the KNN algorithm. Basically, we will see what are the important steps of KNN algorithm and how we can implement KNN algorithm. So these are the four important steps of KNN algorithm. So the first step is choose the number of nearest neighbor, that is the value of k. Okay, suppose we have selected k is equals to 5. So this is our first step. So the second step is take the k nearest neighbor of a new data point according to the Euclidean distance. When a new data point comes or when we have a testing point, then we have to select the 5 nearest neighbor if we have already selected k is equals to 5 based on the Euclidean distance. So what does it mean? Suppose this is the situation, we have a new data point. So we will calculate the distance of this new data point with every sample of class A and with every sample of class B using Euclidean distance. So what is the Euclidean distance? So this is the equation of Euclidean distance. Euclidean distance is used to calculate the distance between 2 points. Suppose we have 2 points P1 and P2 and their coordinates are x1, y1 and x2 and y2. In that case, Euclidean distance will be the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So this is a simple equation which is known as Euclidean equation in order to calculate the distance between 2 points. So this is our second step of KNN algorithm. That is, after selecting the value of k, we will find the distance of our data of our new point with every sample of our data, whether it belongs to class A and class B. Then based on the distance, we will select the nearest point. If our k is 5, then we will select 5 those points which are near to the test point based on the Euclidean distance. That is, those 5 points which has the minimum distance with our test point. Okay, now step 3 and step 4. When we have selected the k neighbors or 5 neighbors as we have selected in step 5, then we count the number of data points in each class and assign the new data point to the class where you counted the most neighbor. Since we have selected k is equals to 5 in order to understand KNN algorithm, so we will select the 5 neighbors. Okay, if out of 5 neighbors, 3 belongs to class A and 2 belongs to class B, in that case, we will decide in the favor of class A according to point 4. So here is the complete explanation of KNN algorithm. The first step is to select the value of k. We have selected k is equals to 5. The second step is to calculate the distance of our new point with all the points present in class A and in class B. So this distance will be calculated with the help of Euclidean distance. Based on the distance, we select the 5 neighbors. So these were the 5 neighbors. Now, among those 5 neighbors, we will perform the majority voting. We see here 3 of the neighbors belongs to class A and 2 neighbors belongs to class B. So we will decide in the favor of class A here. So in this lecture, we learn about a simple algorithm which is known as KNN algorithm. We studied that this is a very simple algorithm to implement. It has only 4 steps, and here are the explanation of all the 4 steps. Select the value of k, calculate the distance, assign the neighbors, and perform the majority voting in order to select the class of a new point. So I hope you understood the concept of KNN algorithm. Thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next lecture.